morning, students. Happy Saturday. Hope you all are doing great. The last time in Thursday class, we already have discussed about future tenses, where we have studied about will have been, shall have been, even will have, shall be, shall be. Then we also discussed about some important verbs like can, and even we have did may, a topic about may, that how we can use may in different questions or how we could have may in different answers. So today we are going to learn about how can we use could, might, must, would and should in conversations, and even how we are going to start a question with what. So let's get started. So so like we said, we are starting from part 15 and we are using could in conversation. Like Raju and Ratan are having conversation where Raju speaks, "Could you do this work alone?" Where Ratan said, "No, I could not do it alone." Raju, "Could she help you in time?" Where Ratan said, yes, she could help me in time. Then part 16, we must be learning how we can use might, must, out, would, should. So first part is Sohag might have helped him. Then he might have come here. I must attend his marriage. I must reach home by 10 o'clock. We ought to love those younger than us. You should go to class more regularly. Then in part 17, we are using what in question answer conversation, which is dealing with questions and answer, right? So the first is, what do you want? I want a glass of milk. What do you write? I write a letter. What do you want to say? Nothing. What's, it's what's, where we are using what is, it's a short form of what is. What's your name? My name is Srijata. What's your father? My father is an editor. What's your mother? My mother is a housewife. What are you doing these days? I am, which is a short form of I am, studying in class 8. What have you seen in Agra? I have seen the Taj Mahal. What did you write to your father? I wrote him about my result. What was she doing in Kolkata? She was teaching in a primary school. So afterwards, we are going to learn about who and how. So the first question is, who are you? I am an Indian. Who are they? They are my relatives. Who sang the song? Arijit sang it. Who will go to the market? I will go there. Who can do this work? Mohit can do this work. How does he go to school? He goes to school by bus. How is your father? He is not feeling well. How did you return? I returned by cab. How old is your brother? He is 12 years old. How will you win the favor of your teacher? I will behave well. Then we have miscellaneous part where we are discussing about random questions that we always follow in daily life, like what has happened, did you call me, may I go, may I accompany you, are you coming, shall I bring it, what is your name, how do you understand, no I don't, is the boss in, who is it, what is the matter, where is Tina, how are you, when did you come, shall we begin, will you do a thing, is it a holiday today, do you know, then what is the reason, won't you go, what is the matter, what is the trouble, what's the quarrel about, are you angry, how is the family, what did you say, what shall I do for you, what brings you here. So you see, there are many kinds of questions that we face each and every day, and it's a random questions that we can use with what, how, who, can, may. So today you can see how many questions and how many conversations we have faced in this video. After discussing about might, could, who, how, then what, and miscellaneous questions that we always face in daily life, so we get to know that how we are creating sentences in daily basis. So I want you people to revise till from part 1 to till part 19, each and everything. Go through it and tell me that if you have any difficulty in all this. Even I am going to start active and passive voice, like I said you before, that we are going to start active and passive voice in next class after tenses. So before starting that, I want you people to go through each and every part we have discussed till now and tell me if you have any difficulty. So till then, have a nice day, take care, thank you.